Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video. Today's video. We are, for one, it's my off day. And I've been at work for too damn long. Okay. I only got one off day, but why am I shaking? But we finna get ready to go out with the bestie. Yeah, we're going to like brunch or something, but it's not really brunch, but it's brunch or something. But it's 10:31 now. Like, look at that. 10:31 now. It's 10:31 now. Me and her was on the phone for like 30-40 something minutes before we decided to go somewhere. But yeah, so she already getting ready. So I'm gonna get ready. Go take me a shower. And yeah, so little sesh this morning. You know, I had a little sesh. My eyelashes keep getting stuck together. That's why I keep looking that way, because my eyelashes keep getting stuck together. But yo, we finna go get ready. What are you talking about? We finna get ready. We finna go this morning. We finna get ready. We finna listen to some SZA. I might kill my. Not the best idea, but you know, whatever. So yeah, let's go get motherfucking ready. Yo, I'm in this bathroom with this loud behind fan. Like, fan, shut up, bro. What you screaming for? Like, they ain't even gonna hear me when I'm talking to them, man. Man, I don't want to hear none of that. I just had a full conversation with my grandma because under the influence, like, come on now. Okay, I'm gonna, who you say, ha? Anywho, you're just not gonna go there. Okay. Bro, I'm too, alright, bro. Alright. Let's brush these stank ass teeth. Who the fuck says that? Stuff like that. Me? The whole. Yo, no. Okay, y'all. Y'all already know I bought my tea with baby soda toothpaste. Put it like curly whites, clean eyes. Wait, alright, y'all. So I'm in the middle of like washing my face, and I just like wet my hair and poofed it up a little bit. I might not keep it poofed. I don't know. I'm just gonna put this hair in the bonnet real quick so I can rinse my face off. Nisha on the phone. She doing her little eyelashes, girl. Yes, with the mascara. Period, girl. Period. And she done did the eyebrow. Yes, ma'am. But alright, y'all. I'm finna go. I should come back when I'm like fully dressed.
There, yep. Okay, no.
But okay, so y'all, we are wearing a dress. Dress. This is the first option. This is the first option. I really like these type of material dresses because they like just fit me. But this is the first one. Like, why are you fitting me like that, baby girl? Like, you're making me fall in love with myself, and I love it. But yeah, this is the first one. I know I shouldn't put this dress on like this, but who cares? Okay. So yeah, this is the first dress. You know, nothing major, nothing too much. You know. Oh shoot. It's the first dress. And I don't know, like my bag is gonna be black, and I don't get my slippers, I think. But I might wear this dress with this jacket. Yeah, I don't know how to dress, but the jacket is for weather precaution. You know, this dress, this jacket, I put the collar over the jacket collar, you know, to give it that. Yeah, stop, cause I'm fuck with it. But hold on, let me go get the shoe options. I'm gonna get the shoe options. Shoe options. I forgot. I don't really wear like sandals, but like these was the ones that I had. They're raggedy, but it's fine. Let's do the hair. Let's do the hair, and let's make some TikToks. And I feel like with that girl. So the hair, I was gonna style it, but I didn't know how I should style it, you know? Like, should I go for a little thing here? No, my hair too big. Little half up, half down moment with the little bang. Like, oh, I think I'm gonna do that. Girl, we gotta do that. We're gonna do that. Alright, come on, y'all, come on. Okay, so we gotta do that. Like that. Just go. Leave. That's how. I just want to rock. Bye, daddy, guy. Let me go put the claw clamp. We gonna put the claw clamp! Okay. Flip the bottom. Y'all saw that. I got my clamp. It don't match, but it's kind of the closest thing I got right now to the claw clamp. The actual, like the color. I said claw clamp. But the color, you know. So now we're just gonna poke this out.
I am not with Metro anymore.
I just wanted to. Why is you cricket? Anyways, I just wanted to come on here and say that your girl is at 20K on TikTok. Like, stop playing. Stop playing with me. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I'm at 20K, y'all. That's all. That's like, I'm at 20K. Jealous. Alright, Nisha on her way, y'all. I just got the on the way text. On the way. We're just waiting on Nisha now. She said she was on her way. Coming from where she was at. I do have her location though. So I can like see where she at. Oh, she down the street. Let's go.
Is my videos done?
So we're at the food place. It's packed, but you know.
Hey y'all, make sure y'all go subscribe to me. True that 2 times. It's the bad girl on y'all TV screens, phone screens, what the fuck ever. Oh, happy new year.
Get out of here.
Happy new year to y'all.
Get out of here. Alright, let's get the goddamn car. I meant to say under the influence.
I was just about to say, you should have said under the influence. Then I would have said avoid.
Oh, she gets me.
Get your ass out. That's why I want you to get out the car.
Don't be mean. Don't be mean.
Too late.
Hey, y'all, we having a business meeting.
I gotta make a video.
Look, iPad, camera, bad bitch, baby.
Wait, I like that. See, you gotta have friends that have goals like you. Because we literally are editing videos, making content. My favorite is pause on that.
Yeah, stop playing.
Why did I just
Now, if someone comes to me and tell me you can't record in here, I'm gonna whoop their ass. Okay, I can't wait to eat. Right, let's get to editing. 40 minutes in. Did I bring my pen? I'm gonna cry if I did it. Because I knew I could. Gotcha.
You should have got the thing that keep your pen. Yeah, that too. That's what my other iPad has. This one don't have it. Oh, yes it do. Oh, no, it don't have the buttons, but if you go like this. This one don't have buttons, but you just it has like this little line right here. I guess that's a magnet now. And they're like that.
My goodness.
These girls are interviewing.
But,
Got their cameras and everything.
But yeah,
yeah, we're with a magazine.
bro.
We're with a magazine called Mind Your Business.
He said he wanted to.
Your thing got disconnected.
Yeah, I know.
So y'all, look at me. Wanna be? Call me Mr. B. Okay, me.
What's up, y'all? Yeah, sir.
You're not going nowhere, chica.
How do you know?
Cause I know it, chica.
So, y'all.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day, y'all.
Oh, you can keep this.
Oh, thank you.